Question number 8. A group of scientists studies the effects of cytokines on effector cells, including leukocytes. They observe that interleukin 12 (IL-12) is secreted by antigen-presenting cells in response to bacterial lipopolysaccharide. Which of the following responses will a naive CD4 plus T cell produce when it is exposed to this interleukin? So it is asking that what will the response be of a CD4 cell, naive CD4 cell, when it is exposed to IL-12? Option A, release of granzymes. Option B, activation of B cells. Option C, secretion of IL-4. Option D, cell-mediated immune response. Option E, response to extracellular pathogens. Okay, this question. So here this is a very important question. You need to know what happens when the naive T cell is exposed. So when naive T cell is exposed to IL-12, Th1 cell response is formed and IFN gamma is released. This is mostly to the intracellular organisms and all of that, extracellular organisms and all of that. Okay. When it is exposed to TGF beta and IL-6, we get Th2 response. Okay. If this is intracellular, this is Th2. Th2 is something like IL-4, IL-13 response. Alright. Then when we are exposed to IL-6, we get Th17. This is for extracellular organisms. IL-17A, IL-17F, IL-6. You need to only remember till this much only. Okay, this much is more than enough. When there is TGF beta and no IL-6, then there is FOXP3. This is Treg, regulatory T cell response. So if you remember these four, then it is more than enough. I think this MAF FOXP3 is not required. It is also alright. Alright. So this is something that is important you need to know. So here the question is asking you that only, that what a naive CD4 T cell is there and IL-12 is exposed, then what will happen? So cell-mediated immune response will be happening, which is this cell-mediated Th1 response.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.